Well, for me, this is obviously ignoring a lot of epic moments in my life, but in recent memory, just the other day, honestly, was just such a pleasure to look at the lineup and be able to take Lyle's class in the morning, watch Tony's class. You know, Sean taught that day, Keone Madrid taught that day, watching the All Styles battle and seeing all these phenomenally talented people under one roof and just being together. We've been doing this thing a really long time, and you know, things change here and there, and new people come and old people leave. But to be able to be here with these people after all these years that I've known them, and have Carol bring us together was honestly just such a pleasure that day, and it made me like very, very happy and full as a person. So. Yeah. That's my quick answer.
Nice, quick answer. Okay.